Hi, for today's unboxing, I have something that came from Coach. The reason I bought this because I saw Shelly's video on her unboxing. When I look at the website, this item Coach only had one image, so I had no idea how it looks like. But thanks to Shelly, after watching her video, I realized that I could have used this bag for my travel as my carry-on, so I immediately ordered it while it was still on sale, and I believe it's still on sale. Let's take a look. And here we see the Coach logo on the box. That's how it came. I think they came with a card saying, "Thank you for shopping at Coach." Put that aside. Have to pull out the gift box. Maybe it has been moving around too much, so the gift wrapping isn't look the prettiest. But let me put away the packing box first. So after adjusting it a little bit, I think it looks more presentable, right? So when I ordered it, I did order this with their gift wrap option. Even though this is just for myself, but I usually do that because if you don't do that, sometimes, I don't know how they did it, but sometimes my bag was squished into a extremely small box, and sometimes the box actually smaller than the bag. It was crazy. So since then, I always ask for gift wrap my order if I order it from the retail website. They don't do that on the outlet website. If you buy something from the outlet website, there's no gift wrap option. So that's my way of hopefully avoid the bag being damaged while shipping. At least you got another layer of protection, right? Nice quality ribbon. Definitely you can keep it for holiday gift wrap. Good size bag, as you can see. So here is the bag. This is called Academy Day bag. On the website, Coach only showed the front picture. So at first I thought this looked like a briefcase, right? And I certainly don't need briefcase because I don't really work on the office. I work from home, as some of you may know. And then look at the side. Look at the depth of this bag. You can really put a lot of stuff with that. I bought this one because I want to use it as my carry-on, because not just come with the top handle, it also come with the crossbody strap as this is the D-ring. So I could use my backpack and also use this as a crossbody. And this bag, they use Cordura fabric for the body. Cordura fabric is a pattern material that I believe is some kind of dense polyester or some kind of man-made material, but it was made to be durable and water resistant. So this is the front. It does come with the hang tag. Let's look closer. and they have the story patch right up front, and then a zip pocket, which could be really convenient for the boarding pass and stuff. Let's see. And I like that at the back you have this loop that you can slide across with the bar here. So it's basically, this bag is designed for travel, apparently. I mean, with this design. And behind it you actually have two more pockets. So if you want to put your phone here, you could, or some like notes or papers that you need to put in, something small, but actually it's quite deep. Yeah, you can see I can put my hand all the way, I think, to the bottom of the bag. So the pockets are quite deep. And then from what I could see here, it has 3 zippers compartment. Let's look at the front first. A lot of stuffing paper. Let's take them out. So the front zipper compartment, probably I would say about an inch deep, and it has this slip compartment. Probably you can put like a small iPad Air, probably not iPad Pro though. I don't think iPad Pro fit in this part. And then on the front side, trying to show you, it has another zipper pocket, and then with a bunch of slip pocket and credit card slot. Hope you can see. I love the organizing options for this bag. Okay, let's close it, and then let's look at the bag first. Here's a zipper. So the back side is much simpler. This side, it doesn't have any pockets. And then on the other side is the place for you to put your laptop, or if you have a big iPad like iPad Pro, it would fit right in. But the back of it doesn't have any padding. So you do want to be careful if you put your laptop or iPad here. Make sure you don't knock on the back side because it doesn't have padding. It does have this button tab that to secure your laptop, but it doesn't have padding. So make sure you don't knock on the back side when you travel with your laptop there. Now let's look at the middle compartment. Whew. Bunch of packing material, and here is the crossbody strap. As you can see, good quality hardware and thick nylon. Well, I think Cordura fabric was one of the nylon fabric actually, but this is fairly thick. Not as thick as the cotton strap from Marc Jacobs, but definitely comfortable and durable enough. Okay, packing paper is going to fill the whole screen at this point. It's like endless packing paper. Just keep stacking them. So here is the main compartment. It's a giant space. you cannot open all the way for the main compartment, just halfway down. So, and one side of it doesn't have any pockets, and the other side it has a zipper compartment. Let's open it. But this one is a mesh material. Sometimes I'm not sure when they use this material, what kind of things that they expect you to put in. So basically, for the main compartment, they probably expect you to use some kind of bag organizer or pouches to organize your stuff. I mean, I like it that way because for me personally, I carry my camera out sometimes, so I could actually put a camera insert in to protect my camera. Or if you travel with cosmetic pouches, you could stack them in. It's plenty of space. I think for Coach cosmetic pouches, you could at least put 4 to 6 into the main compartment, no problem. So yep, this is the bag. Let's show you some close-up. So hopefully you could see some of the details and the materials of this bag. Beautiful stitches. And another mysterious zipper pocket here at the bottom. Let's see. It goes, I would say, like at least 12 inches deep. I guess for you to hide your passport or something. Not sure what does this do. But always good to have option. Yep. So this bag is not too heavy. It has some weight, but definitely not heavy compared to other similar size travel bag I use. So for my next trip to Pennsylvania, I'll definitely take this along. So if you don't have a lot of stuff, you can squeeze it a little bit and it doesn't look as big. See, it's actually pretty flexible bag, and it doesn't look bad either. I think you can squeeze it a little bit if you don't have too much stuff in your bag. I love that bag like that has a crossbody option. When you travel through airport, you can use it as personal carry-on items, and usually I use it to carry my Sony headphones and my iPad, things like that, and maybe some water too. So this is a good size. I would say perfect size to use as a personal carry-on items when travel. So really happy with this, and thanks again to Shelly for introduce me to this bag. And hopefully when you see this unboxing, Coach still have this on their website. I'm sure they do. Sometimes I feel like Coach never really run out of stock. They always have it somewhere in the warehouse, right? So thanks again for stopping by, and I'm really excited to use this bag on my next trip that's coming out next month. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.